Hey, this is Maggie. So, today's video is a little sneak peek into something I've been working hard on. My brand new course, all about mastering user-generated content for brands and taking your business to the next level. What you're about to watch is actually the introduction to the course. Yup, you're getting a taste of what's inside. Please keep in mind that the course's visual format might be different. What you're watching here is the YouTube version, and as we all know, YouTube has its own set of rules by which to play. This is just the beginning. There's so much more waiting for you in the full course. If you find this helpful, and I'm pretty sure you will, check out the link in the description to join the waitlist for the full course. And let's dive right in. Imagine a world where your customers become your most passionate marketers, eagerly sharing their experiences with your brand. Authentic, relatable content floods your social media channels, website, and advertising campaigns. Content that resonates deeply with your target audience because it's created by people just like them. Welcome to the transformative power of user-generated content, UGC, a force revolutionizing how brands connect with their audiences. You're about to begin a journey to change how you view marketing and customer engagement. This course is your roadmap to harnessing the untapped potential of your most valuable asset, your customers. You'll discover how to transform buyers into brand advocates, amplify your message through authentic voices, and create a thriving community that actively contributes to your brand's success. But why should you care about UGC? According to a 2024 study by the Content Marketing Institute, 92% of consumers trust UGC more than traditional advertising. This shift highlights that people turn to their peers for recommendations and validation before purchasing. In this new landscape, your ability to cultivate and leverage UGC could be the key to thriving in a competitive marketplace. As an entrepreneur or social media marketer, you constantly seek ways to connect with your audience. You've likely tried influencer partnerships and paid advertising. But have you tapped into the content created by your customers? These users hold the key to unlocking engagement, trust, and brand loyalty. This course will guide you through the exciting world of UGC. You'll explore strategies for encouraging content creation, tools for managing UGC at scale, and techniques for maximizing its impact. Learn how to turn satisfied customers into enthusiastic brand advocates, creating a cycle of engagement that propels your brand forward. This isn't about manipulating your audience. It's about fostering genuine connections and building a community where your customers' voices are celebrated. In today's world, your brand story is a collaborative narrative shaped by every interaction, review, and shared experience. You'll encounter real-world examples of brands that have mastered UGC, from startups to global corporations. Learn from companies like GoPro and Airbnb, which have leveraged customer-created content to build their marketing strategies and communities. But this course isn't just about success stories, it's about giving you the tools to create your own. Each chapter builds upon the last, guiding you from understanding UGC to implementing advanced strategies. You'll learn how to craft calls to action, navigate legal considerations, and measure the ROI of your UGC campaigns. One of the best aspects of UGC is its versatility. Whether you're a B2B software company showcasing customer testimonials or a fashion brand highlighting user-styled outfits, UGC can be adapted to your goals. You'll find tailored advice for different industries, ensuring that these principles work for your unique audience. We'll also tackle challenges, such as maintaining quality control and encouraging participation from diverse voices. By the time you reach the final chapter, you'll have the knowledge and tools to leverage UGC, boosting your brand with the collective creativity of your audience. All right, that wraps up the introduction of my course. I hope you found it valuable and already brimming with ideas to level up your UGC game. And just a reminder, this was only the tip of the iceberg. The full course dives even deeper with step-by-step strategies, tools, and real-life examples to help you crush your goals. If you're ready to unlock the full power of user-generated content and take your brand to new heights, hit the link in the description and join the waitlist for the course. You'll be the first to know when it launches. You don't want to miss it because all seats on the waitlist will get 40% off the final price. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you think it is worth it. Drop a comment if you have any ideas or suggestions on UGC, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies coming your way. See you in the next one. Bye.